We begin by adding 5 single column rows. On the second row, we want both an image and text. To change its layout to 2 columns, click the 3 dots on the right, then click on Change Layout button. Now click on 2 columns layout. Assign a content type to each column by clicking the content buttons. Once the layout is ready, it's time to add the actual content. You can start with any row or column. To add text, click on the text column. Type or paste your content. To format it as a title, select the text and choose a header from the text controls. Let's go to the second row with 2 columns. We'll add a text paragraph on the left, and an image on the right. Click the left column, paste your text, and format as needed. Now click the right column to add an image. You can paste an image URL or choose a file from your uploads. Let's click Add Image from your files. In the File Uploader, tick the box next to the image of your choice, then click Add Selected Files. The image URL appears automatically. Click Done to embed the image. To add external content, use the same steps. Paste the URL into the External Content field and click Done. Keep in mind that image format and external content format are different content types. If you paste a link to external content in an image URL field, the content won't embed properly. If this happens, you will see a warning message. For YouTube videos, paste the video link into the YouTube field and click Done. When done, preview the layout using the toggle switch next to the Add button. If you are happy with the result, click on the Save button. A green bar will confirm your changes. Click close to exit or back to return to the news intro. Important: always save before closing or going back. To make the entry you just created visible on the website, from the main menu on the left under Resource Management, choose Resources. Click on the news card. From the Select News drop-down, choose the entry you want to publish. Click Add Resource. Now the entry is visible on the website. To remove an entry from the website, navigate to the list of entries below. Click on the entry you want to remove, then click the Delete button. Now you are ready to manage news section in Follow Up LMS.